5 years now. 5 years in marriage. No pikin, nothing. Because I no fit get belle, my husband don pursue me. Where I wan go from here now? Where I wan start from?
Aunty, calm down. Christ don wake up. Your womb will be blessed.
This sickness na wan kill me. Hospital upon hospital, babalawo, pastor, church upon churches I don enter. This sickness still dey disturb my life.
Calm down. Christ don wake up.
Hallelujah.
Your infection go go.
God have mercy upon
I say sickness, you say infection.
You no wan talk your sickness out now.
What are you saying? If you wan share
Abeg go do.
good.